I want to clear something up for new caregivers, and that's the difference between a power of attorney and guardianship. I'm board certified elder law attorney here in Florida, Kellen Bryant. I'm here to explain the difference between the two because a lot of people call my office saying, I need to get guardianship over my parent. And in fact, we talk to them and find out, no, you don't need to do a guardianship. You can instead accomplish what you need with a durable power of attorney. And this is why this is important, because if you go to another attorney saying, I need guardianship, then their brain is immediately going to filing a guardianship. And it's probably something you may not want to do lightly after some thought, because and here's the difference between the two. A guardianship legal fees in Florida can easily be $15,000 just to start and get your foot in the door with the guardianship, because you're opting into court process, procedure, transparency. And why? The big difference between the guardianship and a durable power of attorney is that the person who's subject to the legal document or the legal proceeding, they're getting their rights removed in guardianship, meaning their rights are completely meaningless. They cannot choose where to live, manage their own money, etc., control their bank account, control their own spending, control their own medical decisions. Very serious issue. A lot of people hate it. Google guardianship horror stories. There's been movies about it. People don't like guardianship. And our office believes it's better to avoid the guardianship when you can. You should only file guardianship when it's important to protect the person's money or their bodies. So that could be they're neglecting their self. There's horrible living conditions. We're talking rotten food in the fridge, fluids all over the place, blood and all that kind of stuff. Scary stuff is what we see. Or spending money, garage full of Amazon boxes or Home Shopping Network in later times purchases. So a durable power of attorney, our client is, of course, the person signing the document. It is cheaper. The legal fees for a power of attorney is much cheaper than a guardianship. It can be anywhere between $500 to $2,000, depending on where you're going, who you're doing, and how much help you need. Going to get the power of attorney done at somebody's house costs more than going to the law office to get it done. There's no court involvement. Unless there's a challenge. There's no annual reporting unless there's certain requests being made. You need to satisfy people situationally. It's not well supervised, so it's more appropriate for good family situations, which is my preference to deal with, and that's more fitting for the power of attorney process. If you have any questions, comment below. Thanks.